presentation for the lab 2 assignment. So the first task is to find mutual friends from the given file. So first what we have done is we have taken the data set which was presented to us from this folder, and then we have split the data set with spaces, and we have read the index 0 and 1 as the profile and the friend. So then we are grouping them by key, so that so the key is here the friend, and the friends, the key is here the profile, and the friends are in this. So we are grouping all the friends together for the corresponding key. And then so for after we getting the friend and his the profile and his friends, then we are passing to find the mutual friend. So we have written a code in Python to find the mutual friend, which compares the friends list, and then from the friends list it selects the friends who are repeated more than once. So those are the friends who are the mutual friends for the given pair of friends. So this is the output. So for 2266 and 2331 profiles, this is a list of the common friends, and the list goes on like this. So this is the basic code for that, and next we will move on to the second ICP. So the second assignment is querying using queries on data frames and RDDs. So this is our code. Here we have imported the struct type and struct field to change the schema. So to load the schema, we have used struct type and struct field. For given columns, we are using the long type and different kinds of data types. So we are manipulating the schema of the given file, and then we are reading the file into struct.df in the format of CSV, and schema is my schema, so we are not inferring any schema, we are giving our own schema, and then option with header true, and this is the data set. So when the first query is like selecting everything from the data set, and select year home goals as home goals. This is the second query where we are using pattern matching with Zurich, and similarly we have performed join and some filtering where attendance is greater than 9,000 for a given football match, and we are grouping the data by home team goals, and here we have used drop NA function to drop any of the nulls if present in the data set. And then we are selecting everything from the data struct.df data frame, where home team name is has a pattern like Argentina, and year has a pattern like 1930. So these are the different queries we have run. So here is our outputs. So we have Spark submitted the task, and this is our first query output, which selects everything into the data frame, and this is the schema which we have changed. So we have changed the year to long type and so on. So we have changed this because after a few years years might increase, digits of years might increase, so it's like that. And then these are the different queries we have performed, and so for some of the queries they were the output had null values, so we have removed that using drop NA, and this is a simple assignment. And next we are moving on to the third task, which is about streaming, Twitter streaming. So this is our streaming code. So first we are initializing the Spark context and initializing Spark streaming context with a window period of 300 seconds, that is 5 minutes, and then we are streaming, we are taking the stream from the 5555 port, and then from the stream we are mapping and splitting by space, and then we are mapping the word such that it emits the word and the one value. Then we are reducing by key in order to find the vote count. So this is a simple query, and so we have initialized streaming into the local port using this code, where we have used access tokens and consumer keys here, and by creating developer account in the Twitter. And then so we are using web scraping and streaming a library of the Python, where we have searched for Sony keyword and languages in English. So this gives a stream into the local host. So this is a stream when we have used this command nc localhost and the port number. This was the streaming output. So there were many more tweets, and so when we performed, the output was like this. And next we have performed a page rank. We have done a page rank algorithm using Spark. So for a given data set, so we have given the id id as the text in the data set, and we could find that the fat had more highest page rank. This says that the people authors are using fat as fat more often than any other things. So these are the different probabilities for different kinds of words. We have just shown 20 words here, and we have used reset probability of 0.15. That's it, and thank